Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Narati Shazri dan pada hari ini saya akan bincangkan bagi subjek Sistem Analisis and Design, kod dia DFC 40163 untuk projek 1 dan lecturer kami bernama Sir Muhammad Zafaris dan nama saya Narati Shazri bin Nuri Hisham dan kawan saya Nuri Atika binti Karazli dan juga Marati Nusyakirah binti Muhammad Yusri. Okay, next slide. Okay, for introduction, system analysis refer to the process of disintegrating a system, not various component, and determine how this component can interact and functions. The overall objective of the system phase is to understand the proposed object, ensure that it will support business requirement, and build a solid foundation for system development. In the phase, we use model and other documentation tools to visualize and describe the proposed system. Smart parking is an application system that developed by main company, and uh, it refers to the users who want to parking. Okay, next slide. Okay, functional decomposition diagram, or we can call it FDD for our project system. Okay, as we can see, system analysis, functional decomposition diagram, and we can see that first title dia adalah smart parking, dan bawah tu ada logging, dan logging tu dalam tu ada create user account, register user account, and two-factor authentication. And for secondly is system setting. Dalam tu ada scanning barcode, set up account to pay or reload, and third is log file or archive. History. We can see the history of parking and parking place. And for the fourth is software setting part, and we can see there is GPS map to locate empty parking. And last but not least is security. In there we can see PIN number to reload, ID account and password to access, report if any case happen. Okay. Yes, okay, itu saja daripada saya. Saya akan passing kepada kawan saya. Terima kasih.
Okay, context diagram for our system. Our main title, Smart Parking System. Okay, dia ada system administrator, setup and access. The access dia lain untuk user dan juga security guide. The next slide. Data flow diagram or DFD, level 0 for our system. As we can see in 1.0 is the first DFD level 0. It can be accessed by user and system administrator. After login, it will update to 2.0 software setting part. It can be set up by administrator. Software update settings part will update info to 4.0. Security and also will update to 3.0. System setting. And for the last system setting will be recorded by 5.0, log file or archive. And for others, we can see security guide can view security in 4.0 and security will report to user. For administrator, will do performance data. The next. Two main process from the FD level. The FD level 1 for process A. An administrator of smart parking can access system settings. They also have three processes, which is access system setting, setting system, and system setup. For the last process, it will go to system data. It is where all the details being stored. Okay, next I will pass to my friend.
Okay, so slide yang ni saya akan sambung. Yang ni DFD level 1 for process B and explanation. So, yang ni data flow diagram level 1, process login. Untuk login dia ada user dengan administrator. Lepas tu ada sistem data. Lepas tu bawah dia ada account. Lepas tu dengan ada login account. So yang ni an administrator and user can access for login process. User can create, accrue or login to their own account. My way, administrator have the power to see the new user and manage the system login. There is 3 process with each login, system data and account. For the last process, it will go to login account if the user is new. If the user have already have account, the data will save as access data for administrator to view. Okay, next slide. DFD level 1 for process C and explanation. Data flow diagram level 1. So yang ni ada administrator, ada software setting park, ada security guide, empty atau full parking, map and user. An administrator and security guard can access the software setting part. Security guard only access it just to inform or send the data about empty or full parking. While administrator will have power to setting the software and avoid data delay. There is 3 process with each software setting part, empty or full parking and map. The last process is the map will send or inform to user. Okay, next slide. Interface design DFD level 1. So yang ni mula-mula design transparent interface. Yang second user familiar term and image. Yang ketiga enhance user productivity. Lepas tu create interface that is easy to learn. So lepas tu ada yang create attractive logo and layout and design. Ada make it easy for user to obtain help and correct error. Okay, conclusion. As a conclusion, Smart Parking is the app that create for user and company mall. It is app where user can find their parking easily without waste their time. With this app, manager of the company will get more benefit because will more customer come and easy to control parking area. This is the app where it can make user feel more calmly and easier to find their parking without facing any problem with other and wasting their time. Okay, itu saja. Thank you.